If you're wondering which lessons are currently assigned to your student, you're in the right place. The Activities page in a student's profile shows all lessons currently assigned to this student. Lessons are organized by subject area, which you can switch using the drop-down here near the top left. Each lesson card represents lessons that are currently assigned, and at the bottom of each card, look for the orange text that says expires in X number of days. That tells you the lesson is still active and how much time remains. If you ever notice a lesson no longer appearing for a student while the lesson shows active, assignment settings can impact what they see. For a deeper look at assigning lessons and available options, check out our Assigning Lessons video in the training guides underneath the Welcome menu. If you need additional help, you can also click the chat bubble to connect with support. Happy Vizzling!